And if I type in my calculator 1 plus 0.065 divided by 4, make sure it's a scientific calculator, 1.01625. And as for rounding, sometimes the rounding gets really weird inside this parentheses. I would say use every digit your calculator gives you to be as accurate as possible. If you round too much, you can end up being off quite significantly. So put all the digits your calculator gives you. In the exponent, 4 times 5 is 20. Now we should be able to calculate the final amount. Depending on the type of scientific calculator you use, you might have to start with the long decimal and raise it to the 20th power, and then multiply that answer times 25,000. Or some calculators are okay if you type it in exactly like it is, 25,000 times 1.01625 raised to the 20th power. Make sure you know how to use your calculator for this, and you should end up with a final loan amount of $34,510.49. So after 5 years, your car loan has gone from $25,000 to over $34,000. And that's how we can calculate a balance with compound interest. When we see compound interest, if we know the number of compounds, compounded quarterly 4 times a year, we use the formula A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. Plug in what we know. I suggest, for the sake of avoiding errors on the calculator, do the parentheses and the exponents in separate